Right, actually, I have had a good look at this box, and the gaps are really wobbly. It really does not feel very sturdy anymore, and I don't think that the woodworms will be thriving as much if they don't have so much air to breathe. So I decided to go ahead and fill all the gaps, the cracks, with wood glue in order to stabilize this box a little bit. It's any wood glue, it's all the same. And I'm just pushing it inside the crack. I know by the time it dries, it will be drying out to some rather very thin condition, and I'm gonna wash away the excess in a moment with a sturdy towel. So that's me put the wood glue everywhere. Later on I'm gonna take you out and show you what I mean about these nails. So then we're good from the inside. Let me wash my finger, please. Yeah, I'm going to just use an old towel, an old sturdy face wash towel, and I'm now going to wipe off all the excess. Or shall I say, I'm going to massage it in homogeneously. There's a little bit of water on it, it helps the job. And you could argue the whole wood gets a little bit of wood glue coating, that's fine. It's wood. It likes wood glue. They kind of bond. Looks nicer already. So I will let this sit after that. Oh, there's a very deep crack that wants some more. So let me go over this again. Other side, maybe you can see now. I hope. You can see the white stuff is the wood glue. This will dry to a clear finish. Here there's another set of initials, AD, just like mine, that's my grandfather. I'm so happy that I have this. Not only do I absolutely love this box, it's very functional. You can do so many things with it. I'm storing things in it, as well as I'm using it as a bedside table currently, because there's a very narrow space only, so this is about perfect. So let me add some more in this little crack. I'll show you from the other side. Sorry if this wobbles. Yeah, now you should be able to see. There's no point in buying a smaller quantity of wood glue. It doesn't save any money. It's barely cheaper. So that's the inside. I'm gonna let this sit so it kind of like goes down. And I will do the other side tomorrow. I always have the feeling that this wood glue is just too thick. There you go. yeah, I'm not sure what our woodworm is thinking of this wood glue. Whether he thinks it's tasty or whatever. So, I mean, look at this. Just from me shaking the thing about more fallout, even though I had it all vacuum cleaned. So, that's basically what we're now... I wanted to show you these nails. Here, some of the nails, they're coming out on the inside, and one came out on the outside, so that's no longer. Oh, here's another one. So I'll need to deal with this one. But I'll let this dry now. So this concludes the second installment on my grandfather's toolbox. Hope you enjoyed. Take care, have a good day.